Lexi.
And I'm Ivy.
Today we're really excited
because we're making Lego gummies.
Yay! To make gummy candy, you will need gelatin, corn syrup, and your favorite Jell-o flavor. You'll also need citric acid and silicone molds. To begin, empty your box of Jell-o into a pot. Add a 1/4 teaspoon citric acid, 2.5 teaspoons gelatin, a 1/4 cup of corn syrup, and 1/3 cup of water at room temperature. Stir until the mixture is blended. Now bring it to the stove and stir continuously on low heat, trying not to make too many bubbles. The bubbles don't do anything to the taste of the gummy candy. It just doesn't look as nice. Another way to get rid of the bubbles is to let the mixture cool slightly. Then, take a spoon or spatula and scrape off the white top bubbly layer. We made 3 different flavored gummies. Now you can pour them into the silicone molds using a glass container with a spout. Food droppers or squeeze bottles. Again, try not to make too many bubbles when filling the molds. Let the gummies cool for 15 to 20 minutes. If you want them to be less rubbery and chewier, like gummies at the store, you can leave them out to dry for 48 to 72 hours until they dehydrate and shrink in size. Now the gummy candies are ready, so we're gonna pop them out of the molds. If the gummies stick together too much, you can add a couple teaspoons of cornstarch and mix them around. We accidentally added too much, but they still tasted good. They also taste yummy, tossed in sugar and a pinch of citric acid.
Now we're going to try the gummies that have the cornstarch on them. Not sticky. Cool. These taste like gummies with powder on it, and the powder just tastes like nothing. Tastes good. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and like.
Hope you liked our video. Please subscribe.